morning, it's your boy Ben Cyclist. It is a late one. Yeah, it's a 5:45 start for us. I don't think I've ever started this late. It's probably going to be Sunburn Alley. No, I'm joking. I put on sunscreen today. I actually remembered to spray bottle by the door. Used it. That's probably my biggest tip. Put the sunscreen by the door. Can't forget it. I know I've forgotten it for like the last 2 years, every pretty much day, but remember today. I'm meeting up with the Turtles captain, as I put in my Instagram post. Twisted my arm. I told him yesterday probably can't go. I'm at a family event, like the Vietnamese side family. Maybe having a few drinks, but you know what? I had 2 beers. Fuck. That's the best way to do it. A few drinks, nothing silly. I'm going to an event later today. I was thinking earlier, maybe I'll bring a bottle. That'd be silly. Just gonna bring some light snacks or something like that. So there'll be beers there. Also, I might sleep, who knows. Anyway, yeah, so we're gonna meet Turtles going to Cần Giờ, but a different route than Cần Giờ. I don't know. Check if I have it on the map. I like how that guy just crossed the road right in front of me. Yes, no, I should be looking, but also they just cross in front of something. Tying my cleats last night, and now it's time to put it back in. Looks good. But I just hate that especially kids don't wear helmets, or kids, or most adults. Most people just don't wear helmets in this country. Why? I don't know. But in District 4, I probably actually left too early. I know what it is normally. It takes me a lot longer. It takes me a lot longer to get through the city. We're only just getting to the end of District 4. We've still got 2 more districts to go, but is it really going to take me 36 minutes? Is it going to take me 36 minutes? And is it only going to take them 36 minutes? I highly doubt it, but who knows? Hello, puppy. I also going for a piss. Surprise, surprise. I have to kind of ladder these days. What's going on there? Don't tell anyone. Yes, I used the toilet many times before going, but sitting and fasting, I felt like I was going to shit myself, so, you know, fun. Yo, what's going on? We're in District 7. I actually like this district. I'm poor as shit. It's miles away, so I could never live here. It is what it is. Anyway, it's a beautiful day. I don't really know how much vlog I'm going to film. I get shy talking around others. Honestly do. But what I do know is it will be a good day. I'll try and get as much as I can. Definitely could ask other people, but I won't. Testing out eating a banana while riding today and launching it into the bush, I guess. I'm going to do the peel. It's biodegradable. People should never go at me for launching a banana peel, right? I totally understand. Launch a gel wrapper. But banana peel? You never go at me for that? No, I hope not. New video out, go watch it. It's already out, so watch it. Pee done. Poo poo. Oh yeah. I guess I'm just gonna hold it for like 5 hours. Ugh. Me blogged it. Get down low. Almost at the ferry. Let's see the town, so I guess you know behind me. What's about? No. 13 minutes to get silver to I guess. Not enough time to stretch my leg out. sweaty. Drop Paradise. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you a little tour. This is the Drop Paradise. Pretty nice around here, all by myself. Look at me. I hate it. Boom, boom. That's beautiful around here. Oh, look, fucking dogs. Tie your dogs up, whatever, put a fence up. Wow, look at that. Private ferry back. Not bad. 130 Ks in. I'm still probably about up 5. Maybe less than that, should go. You know, once you get dropped, it's just fucking the end of the world, really. Especially if they're waiting. If they're going to wait like 25 Ks down the road. Here's what it is. It's training I need. You know, it's my fault. Can't blame anybody else. So this video is called Drop C. And this ride will be Drop C. This is fuck me up. I got dropped twice, and I didn't know they were doing the map backwards. Why didn't I know? I don't know. I guess they forgot to mention it. Here's the route, but we're going to do it backwards today.